Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm sharing how I make fruit chaat or fruit salad. And for that I'm taking honeydew, cantaloupe, papaya, apple, plum, oranges, banana, and let's get started. So let's peel the skin and clean all the seeds. So I'm taking this honeydew and I'll just take all the seeds out and peel off the skin. And then I'll do the same with cantaloupe. I'll just cut it and peel off the skin and take all the seeds out. And the papaya too. Papaya have a lot of seeds, so make sure to take all the seeds of papaya with the help of the spoon. And then cut it and peel off the skin, wash all the fruit and keep it aside. And then I'll do the same with apple too. Like I'll peel off the skin, take the seeds out and wash and keep aside. I'm taking these fruit for the fruit chaat. It's up to you if you want to skip some fruit from this, or you want to add something else, like you want the canned fruit or berries or grape, you can go ahead and do that. But this was available for me easily, so I'm using these fruits. And one thing, when you're chopping the fruit, make sure the size of the fruit, is all same. So do not cut the fruit in different sizes. So I'm cutting all the fruit in one size, and when it's cut, just keep it aside. And then take oranges. I'm using the fresh orange juice in the chaat, so I'll just take out the juice from the orange, and it's about 1 glass. So let's keep it aside. And then take a big container and mix all the chopped fruit and mix that fruit together. And add fresh orange juice, which we just took, and mix that orange juice in the fruit well. And add peanuts. I'm taking the peanuts. You can skip the peanuts or add any other nuts. And mix well. Then add 4 to 5 bananas. I did not cut the bananas earlier because it changed the color quickly, so I add banana at the end. And mix well the banana in the orange and with the fruit. And there you go, it's ready to serve. So this is a very easy recipe of fruit salad, and serve the way you like and sprinkle chaat masala on the top if you like. I hope you all like this recipe, and if you have any questions, do let me know by comments below. Subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching.